I am 100% sure after watching this gele tutorial you'll be able to tie yours. So I folded it into two, that's 50 50, and the next thing I do is to place it on my head so that I will know how to tie it. This is 25. When you separate it into two, yeah, this is 25 25. So now needs to tie it behind. Yes, I make sure I tie it very, like very well, very tight. I don't know if you understand. So this is what I'm doing now. Normal tying, yes. I tied it behind very well so that it will not unravel when I'm trying to make my plate. So now I'm making my plate. You pull from the back to the front. It's as simple as that. You just get a little, like, if you have, I don't know how to explain it, but you just pick from behind to the front. Make the necessary adjustment that you need. All right. So you take from the back to the front. You adjust it. Make sure the same size that you are using is the same. You when you start any size that just make sure it's equal. So this is it. All right. So I will just do the same pattern from the back to the front. So I'll make two pleats on the 75 and then 25. Placed it on my head. Just place it directly on the last side of the gele, the pleat I made rather. So you place it there. Look at what I'm doing. Just take your time. You place it on the last one. You just do your adjustment so that they'll all be on same line. That's where your crown begins. See what I'm doing? Adjusting it. So you take your time to adjust. All right. So now the tip of the 25 we use in tying it, I'll just adjust it again and then take it behind. You understand? Then you remember the 25, the smaller piece that was left on that 25. So I would have to take that's how do I explain it now? The longer one, which is the 75, I would carry the end and then tie it to the first one I did, which is the 25. You can see. So you just tie it very well. So now the last thing you just need to do is to start making your crown. So you are bringing your pleats, you are making your pleats again on. So this is it. You're making your plate, and that is it. You start. That's the only thing you just need in order to tie a beautiful gele. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comments. The more you share it, the more you like, the more you comment, it will help us to it will push this video so that others can also benefit. So see you guys in my next video.